What's up, Barndo bros? Today we're going to be diving into the world of barndominiums. You know, those awesome metal structures that have been living space, workshops, or garages. Well, before you jump in head first, there are some myths floating around the internet that could steer you wrong. So grab a drink, settle in, and let's bust those 10 lies about building a barndominium. Lie number one, barndominiums are super affordable. Well, we've seen those cheap barndominium ads, but the truth is, while they can be cost effective, they're not magically cheaper than a traditional build. The metal shell might be affordable, but don't forget about the foundation, interior finishes, plumbing, insulation. Those can add up quickly, so you're basically building a house inside the barndominium. People out there saying that you save about 50% building a barndominium instead of a regular house, that's simply not true. Yes, you will probably be saving about 10 to 15%. That's what I'm experiencing, nothing less. Line number two, you can skip permits and inspections. No. Just like any other construction project, you will need permits and inspections to ensure your barndominium is safe and up to code. Don't forget that. Don't skimp on this. This could lead to delays, fines, or even having to redo parts of your build. Very important. So line number three is that metal buildings get freezing cold in winter. Okay, maybe a bit dramatic, but metal does conduct heat differently than wood. The key is proper insulation. Invest on high quality insulation specifically designed for metal buildings. With that, your barndominium can be just as cozy as the end of the home. Remember the spray foam video? That's what we used. All right, now on to line number four, that they're noisy during storms. Yes, metal can amplify some noises, but modern building techniques and insulation go a long way in mitigating that. Plus, a little rain on a roof shouldn't be a deal breaker. I actually like the sound of rain on a roof. Line number five, so we're halfway through. This lie is that you can design your barndominium yourself on a napkin. Sure, you can have a general vision, but barndominiums require careful planning for functionality and aesthetics. Consider hiring an architect or designer familiar with metal buildings. They can help you optimize the space and avoid costly mistakes like we had. Lie number six, they're difficult to maintain. Metal exteriors are actually quite low maintenance. They're resistant to rot and pests, and cleaning is a breeze. Just avoid harsh chemicals. Focus on gentle cleaning methods like soft wash but most metal buildings actually come with a long-lasting warranty on the metal and the paint, such as ours. You got a 45-year warranty on the paint and on the metal. Line number seven is that barndominiums don't have resale value. Barndominiums are becoming increasingly popular with their unique style and functionality. They can hold good resale value, especially if you build with high quality materials and a well-designed layout. Ours are priced out of $603,000 before it was even built. All right, this is a big one. This is line number eight. You can't get financing for them. That's simply not true. You just have to look. It might not be as common as a traditional mortgage. Financing options for barndominiums are available out there. We use First Federal Bank of Kansas City. They've been really helpful. They're well-versed in the barndominium build process and will approve you for construction loan with you as an owner builder. You don't even need a contractor. On to line number nine is that barndominiums are only for rural areas. Barndominiums can be adapted to various styles and settings. They can look stunning in rural landscapes, of course, but they can also be modern and sleek in suburban or even urban environments. Check your local building code before you even start the process and assess if you are able to build a barndominium. In the city here, you are not able to build a barndominium within the city limits, so you would have to be outside the city limits because it's against code. Now on to line number 10. They're just glorified metal garages. Come on, give me a break. That's absolutely not. Barndominiums offer the flexibility to create a stunning living space with open floor plans, high ceilings, and all the amenities you desire. They can be just as comfortable and stylish as any other home. There you have it, Barndo Bros. I covered the 10 lies about the barndominiums that are most common on the internet. Barndominiums can be a fantastic experience, but be sure to do your research and avoid these common misconceptions. With careful planning and the right team, you can create a unique and functional dream home. If you have any questions about barndominiums, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching. See ya.